let me show you how to make homemade chicken nuggets. Okay, homemade chicken nuggets. All you need, chicken mince or chicken breast, just mince this one up in a mixer or something. Some flour, some breadcrumbs. Seasoning wise, depending on who you're making it for. If it's children, they probably just want plain. If it's for yourself, paprika, garlic, a little bit of mustard, and salt and pepper, and of course an egg and some oil. Let's go. Easy. Chicken mince into the bowl. Seasoning, seasoning straight in. Mix it around. Lovely. Beat an egg. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Grab some mince for the chicken nuggets. So, normal chicken nugget size, okay? Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Okay, chill them in the fridge for about 10 minutes just to make them a little bit harder. Heat some oil. Heat a pan of oil. Bring out your giant chicken nuggets. They're a little bit big, I think. Now, you could do these in the air fryer, but we all know these are pretty big nuggets. They're like twice the size of McDonald's. We could cut them in half, but that's no fun. Yeah, baby, look at those bad boys. Yummy! Oh, there we have it. Ah, yes. So good.